Gujarat-based agrochemical player Hiranba Industries' 625 crore rupees IPO has opened for subscription today, and that will close on February 25th. That's a Thursday. The IPO offer comprises of fresh issue of shares worth 60 crore rupees and an offer for sale of 90.15 lakh equity shares by the promoters. Now, the quota for the retail investors has been fixed at 35%, while the qualified institutional buyers can bid for 50%. The NIIs can bid for 15% of the quota. Now, the price band for the IPO has been fixed at 626 to 627 rupees per share. The market lot size is 23 shares and in multiples thereof. Now, a retail individual investor can apply up to 13 lots totaling to 1,87,473. Now, the funds raised through the fresh issue of shares will be actually utilized to finance the company's working capital requirements. Remember, it's the 8th company to go public so far in 2021. It also manufactures, exports and markets the crop protection chemicals. The company has a presence in a wide range of products across the synthetic pyrethroids with a market share of 20%. It also exports to more than 60 nations, and that is in Latin America, in Middle East, in Africa and also in Asia. Now, the key strengths the company has is a dominant position in the pyrethroids market. It has better return ratios than the peers and is also priced reasonably to peers like Bharat Rasayan, Sumitomo Chemicals, even Rallis India. Now, it also boasts of strong balance sheet with low long-term debt and therefore has a very strong financial position as well. As for the key financials of the company, Hiranba Industries has reported a 29.6% increase in profit at 97.7 crore rupees for FY20. However, the revenue fell 5.5% in FY20, but the EBITDA rose 1.6%, keeping the margin stable above 13.5%. The exports account for 40% of the company's overall revenue, with China being its biggest market. So, should you subscribe to this IPO? Well, here's what the brokerage houses say. Anand Rathi has said that considering the company's dominant position in the pyrethroids market, the strong balance sheet, high return on the net worth, as well as strong management and the reasonable valuations that it has, it is therefore given this IPO subscribe rating as for the investors who want to invest for long term. Angel Broking has said that Hiranba Industries has a robust past record of the performance. In future, Angel Broking also expects the company to gain the market share and also improve margins going forward. It also says that the company has strong financial position and has been generating positive cash flows as well. So, Angel Broking expects a good listing for this company whenever it lists. Now, Hem Securities also finds that the company with its current strong fundamentals has a bright future prospect as well, and hence they have also recommended investors to subscribe to the issue for short and for long term.